الحمد لله رب العالمين وأفضل الصلاة وأتم التسليم على سيدنا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه وسلم. أما بعد, the chair, distinguished members of the high table here present, my colleagues, gentlemen of the press, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. We are honored, all the participants who came from far and near. We want to express our appreciation to Daralhadith for giving us the opportunity to see Morocco and the hospitality of the people of Morocco. We also want to appreciate the Ministry of Awqaf by the presence of his Honorable Minister himself of Awqaf and all other distinguished personalities, including Minister of Religious Affairs from Malaysia and the convener, Datu Ghazali Muhammad Noor, Professor Asia, and all those who worked behind the scene to make this conference a successful one. All of us, from the beginning of this conference to the last point, we have been into parallel sessions. We have benefited from the knowledge of different scholars across the world, both physically and virtually. We are glad that since we came, the organization has been so wonderful, and you have even planned to take us, for those who have the time and are interested, tomorrow to Fez to have their first step in the Qarawiyyin that is popularly known in the whole world as the first waqf and the waqf that we appreciate and many other people are trying to emulate across the world. Thank you very much for being patient with us. And thank you very much for what you have organized for us. And I want to make two appeals before I end my remark. One appeal is you allow one of my brothers who will better see in Arabic than myself, and two, to request Daralhadith and the Awqaf in Morocco to use the opportunity of the Global Waqf Conference to further stretch your arm in propagating waqf and, of course, the Arabic language. This, inshallah, many parts of the world will be very useful to us at one time or the other, and, of course, for our journey to Yawm al-Akhirah, where we know everyone is going to speak in the language of the Quran, the language of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, which is Arabic. So the chairperson, allow me to invite Dr. Abdul Qadir, one of my colleagues who came, and to use the remaining part of probably the minutes you allocate to me to probably convey our entire appreciation in Arabic. If you permit me so, I'll be very glad. Professor, you permit me so? If you permit me, I'll be very glad. Yeah, okay. Brother Abdul Qadir, if you're around, please, is there any mic? Okay. Please, if you can quickly, he's Brother Abdul Qadir, one of the Nigerian delegates. We are 13 in number, and we have seen many, many delegates from Turkey, from, well, I'm afraid if I continue to mention the 16 countries, I may not be able to count. So let no one feel offended for I missed counting the name of the country. So Brother Abdul Qadir.